Good evening, everyone. This is Golo Nyang from ZNTV Tulsa, Oklahoma. I will be reading about the Zomi International Conference held in Malaysia, ZIC2019KL. February 17 to 19, 2019, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Press note. February 19, 2019, the Zomi International Conference 2019 held at Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia successfully Zomi, Political Status and Socio-Economic Development of Zogam 2019. The conference, which began on February 17, 2019, was a milestone international Zomi gathering to discuss key political, economic, social and cultural issues confronting the Zomi people and Zomi inhabited areas in India and Myanmar. Being the first of its kind event to deliberate on the status of the Zomi political movement and with the objective of laying out a strategic roadmap for the future, the conference was attended by over 73 members representing Zomi political, social, religious, cultural organizations and thought leaders from Myanmar, India, United States, Canada and Japan. Taking cognizance of the contemporary political developments in India and Myanmar, which affects the Zomis and ancestral Zomi inhabited areas in the Indo-Myanmar borderland, the conference was an attempt at consensus building and reaffirmation of the Zomi movement with its various stakeholders. Many issues concerning the political roadmap of the Zomi movement, pressing socio-economic challenges and specific agendas relating to peace and security of Zomi inhabited areas were laid out to the members and the threadbare discussion sessions were conducted for each by the members. While appreciating the efforts made by Zomis and Zomi political, social, religious and cultural organizations, the conference moved resolutions on matters of critical importance to the Zomi movement. In line with the resolution consented in the conference, the Kuala Lumpur Declaration on the Future of Indigenous Zomi, Political Status and Socio-Economic Development of Zogam 2019 was unanimously adopted as follows. After a focused deliberation and discussion by all participating members at the Kuala Lumpur Zomi International Conference 2019 based on the proposals of ZIUSA and complemented by the proposals, comments, suggestions, and advice leaders and intellectuals, it was consented by the members to present the Kuala Lumpur Declaration on the Future of Indigenous Zomis. Political Status and Socio-Economic Development of Zogam 2019 on this day, the 19th of February 2019 as follows. We reaffirm our Zomi identity as an indigenous people and resolve to continue working towards achieve our political goal of establishing a self-administered Zogam for the Zomi nation with a renewed commitment to establish a Zomi parliament under the framework, guideline and parameters of United Nations Permanent Forum on Indigenous Issues to protect, promote and propagate the emotional, social, cultural and political integration of Zomi people across the world, to collectively work together towards strengthening and advancing the interest of Zomi movement and realizing Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, for the socio-economic upliftment of Zomi inhabited areas to our respective capacities at appropriate forums. The conference also made fervent appeals about the need to make greater strides to all Zomis living in India, Myanmar, and across the globe to encourage one another, strengthen the Zomi movement and collaborate to achieve the long-pending political aspirations and socio-economic development in Zogam. The declaration are signed by as follows. Sian Thang, President, Zomi Congress for Democracy, Pu John Kengaite, Chairman, Zomi Council, Pu Gosom Khup, Chairman, Zomi Inkwan, USA, Pu Kam Suan Mung, President, Zomi Youth Association, Pu Kap Zakhup, President Zomi Association of Malaysia. Again, this is Golot Nyang reporting from Zomi National TV, Tulsa, Oklahoma. Thank you all for watching.